For the next exercise, what we'd like you to do is a run through of the entire design thinking process, but intuitively, before you've been fully or properly trained, just so you see what it's like to go through this. We're going to give you the basic tools and templates in order to do a full design cycle. What you're going to do is pick someone who you can interact with. It could be a loved one at home, it could be a colleague at work, it could be whoever's sitting next to you, it could be somebody you meet at lunch. And you're going to design a personal carrier for them. Now, what I mean is a way for them to carry the stuff they tell you they need to carry. It could be that it's a cart for your mother that she's going to, your aged mother that she's going to use in order to retrieve groceries. It could be a wallet for a colleague, or a purse, or a backpack, or a satchel. It could be any of an array of possible solutions. It might be completely digital. Who knows? Consider all possibilities, but you're going to do it based on a thoughtful process. So first, what you're going to do is interview this person and find out not what they want or need. Don't have them design the solution. What you're going to do is discover what their needs are. You're going to ask them things like, what do you carry on a daily basis? Are there special occasions where you have to carry different things? How do you carry them today? What do you love about that? What do you hate about that? Where do you find instances where you have to modify that? Do you ever find yourself carrying a plastic grocery bag because you've got to carry something spontaneously and you weren't prepared for it? Really talk through the context. Get them to tell you stories about it. Next, you're going to take notes on all that during the interview. Then you're going to feed it back to that person. Here's what I heard. Give them your interpretation. Give them the shorthand version of, here are the needs I've heard of this user, and get them to correct you. Because you'll be surprised how wrong you are about some of the assumptions you get even in that first conversation. The second conversation will help you to refine your understanding, and you'll really get in context. Again, ask for stories and examples. When you get them to make it real rather than abstract, I like to carry things this way, but say, on Tuesday, I had this problem because I was trying to carry my business cards next to my credit cards next to my phone, and I demagnetized my hotel card and I couldn't get into my room. Find out the problems and what's broken and dig it a little deeper. Now you've got a refined set of needs, you can document that. Next, you'll go into a design session and you're going to come up with a whole array of different alternatives, which we can just do as simple sketches. You'll test those with the end user. You'll find that some of them are really valid and really valuable, or some attributes are, and other elements are terrible from their perspective. And what you can do is start to filter a large number of ideas down to a small number of really relevant ones, because they're going to explain to you the components that work, those that don't, combine the ones that do, and all of a sudden you've got a small number of much better refined possibilities. Lastly, you're going to develop those a little further as mock-ups in whatever form, two-dimensional or three-dimensional, that you choose, in order to be able to test with the end user at least 2 or 3 final alternatives so that you can get to the best solution. The instructions follow, read through them, go through the exercise, and we'll show you how to submit your responses at the end. Thanks very much. Contact your faculty with any questions.